What is the Fecha?
Fecha is a lightweight library that helps with date formatting and parsing, and it is intended to replace the formatting and parsing functionality of moment.js. Fecha is significantly smaller than Moment, weighing in at only 2.1 kbs, as opposed to Moment's 13.1 kbs.
What functionalities does Fecha offers?
Fecha offers both date parsing and formatting functionality.
How do we install it?
npm install Fecha save. Or yarn add Fecha.
What types of parameters are used by Fecha's format function?
Fecha's format function accepts a date object, or timestamp, a string format, and an optional I18N internationalization object.
Can custom date formats be used with the format function?
Yes, custom date formats can be used with the format function by passing in a date object and a string format.
Can named masks be used with the format function?
Yes, named masks can be used with the format function to format dates in a particular way based on the desired mask.
Would you please show us a formatting example?
Sure, here are some examples. Custom formats. Named masks. Literals.
What types of parameters are used by Fecha's parse function?
Fecha's parse function accepts a date string and a string format, as well as an optional I18N internationalization object. It is essential to specify a format when using the parse function, since it will throw an error if passed an invalid string format or a missing format.
Can you please show us a parse example?
Sure, here are parse examples using Fecha. Custom formats. Named masks. Override I18N.
How can I18N support be implemented with Fecha?
I18N support can be implemented with Fecha by using the setGlobalDate I18N function to override the default I18N settings with custom ones.
Documentation.
Please head over to https://www.npmjs.com/package/fecha to learn more about Fecha. I appreciate you watching to this end. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.